as you saw, it was quite raining today. It is quite raining today, and I got completely wet. Yeah, here you can see the pants I was using are completely wet. It's not really a good thing, honestly. Probably today I should have stayed home and tried to make the training happen there, because now I really do feel like shit. I'm cold as fuck, and I don't know how to go back home because most of my stuff is completely wet, including my socks. And yeah, the only good thing about it is like makes me feel good about myself, the fact that even though the conditions weren't good, I still came to the gym no matter what, and I'm here and I'll do the job in the end, even though I really don't feel like it. Yeah, I would like to say that I'm always the guy that does the job no matter what, but I'm not yet. And yeah, but today I still came at the gym, and I hope that I'll be able to make the struggle to come here worth, so basically have a okay training. I don't know a good training, it's hard right now, well, depending on how I feel, but how I feel before the training doesn't matter that much, so it might still be a really, really good training. But yeah, stop talking, let's train.
I'm not trying to reel that you're fine. You're just a little bit late. I guess you're already done. It's this feeling I can't shake, 'cause I'm too dumb. I'm never doing the right thing, so I'm so stuck. If you see me in America, I might say hi. But if you meet me out in Europe, I'm a talkative guy. Maybe we'll talk over scouts around lunch sometime. And I've never been a friend, so it might be nice. But I can't take this paparazzi cheese. It's like the camera's always out and always staring at me. And if I say the wrong thing, like I want to talk to it, please. Always whipping out their pitchforks when you try to speak.
This day I'm walking the road, kicking rocks, it's my fault. My life's the worst story told. I'll be this way till I'm old. I rip the page out the book. I'm just so misunderstood. I always think about her, and when my life felt good, I smoke a cig on the porch. It doesn't help me at all. I wonder what's it all for. Is this the girl I adore? And I know I can't afford watching her walk out the door, so I keep it to myself and keep my feet on the floor.
I'm not trying to reel that you're fine. You're just a little bit late. I guess you're already done. It's this feeling I can't shake, 'cause I'm too dumb. I'm never doing the right thing, so I'm so stuck. If you see me in America, I might say hi. But if you meet me out in Europe, I'm a talkative guy. Maybe we'll talk over scouts around lunch sometime. And I've never been a friend, so it might be nice. But I shot at real and you're fine. You're just a little bit late, I guess you're already done. It's this feeling I can't shake, 'cause I'm too dumb. I'm never doing the right thing, so I'm so stuck. If you see me in America, I might say hi. If you meet me out in Europe, I'm a talkative guy. Maybe we'll talk over scouts around lunch sometime. And I've never been a friend, so it might be nice. But I can't take this paparazzi cheese. It's like the camera's always out and always staring at me. And if I say the wrong thing, I cut my tongue to it bleeds. Always whipping out their pitchforks when you try to speak. That couldn't be me.
Next day I'm walking the road, kicking rocks, it's my fault. My life's the worst story told. I'll be this way till I'm old. I rip a page out the book, I'm just so misunderstood. I always think about her, and when my life felt good, I smoke a cig on the porch. It doesn't help me at all, I wonder what's it all for. Is this the girl I adore? And I know I can't afford watching her walk out the door, so I keep it to myself and keep my feet on the floor.
I'm not trying to real and you're fine. You're just a little bit late, I guess you're already done. It's this feeling I can't shake, 'cause I'm too dumb. I'm never doing the right thing, so I'm so stuck. If you see me in America, I might say hi. If you meet me out in Europe, I'm a talkative guy. Maybe we'll talk over scouts around lunch sometime. And I've never been a friend, so it might be nice. But I can't take this paparazzi cheese. It's like the camera's always out and always staring at me. And if I say the wrong thing, I cut my tongue to it bleeds. Always whipping out their pitchforks when you try to speak. That couldn't be me.
Next day I'm walking the road, kicking rocks, it's my fault. My life's the worst story told. I'll be this way till I'm old. I rip a page out the book, I'm just so misunderstood. I always think about her, and when my life felt good, I smoke a cig on the porch. It doesn't help me at all, I wonder what's it all for. Is this the girl I adore? And I know I can't afford watching her walk out the door, so I keep it to myself and keep my feet on the floor.
I'm not trying to real and you're fine. You're just a little bit late, I guess you're already done. It's this feeling I can't shake, 'cause I'm too dumb. I'm never doing the right thing, so I'm so stuck. If you see me in America, I might say hi. If you meet me out in Europe, I'm a talkative.
Okay, so the training was freaking bad. It was super weak, but I still managed to do some interesting stuff. Everything with bands, as you saw, obviously. But yeah, the really helpful thing was like the presses that I've done in the end with the band that allowed me to remember how speed in presses feels and how tempo feels in presses. So I think that in the next push trainings, where if everything is right, I'll be better rested than today. There won't be this much rain, or it won't rain at all. Would be great. And I won't be sick anymore, because I'm still a little bit sick, even more than a little bit actually. So if everything of this fixes itself in the next 2 days, I think it's going to be a pretty good training, that one. So tomorrow would be pull, then breast, and then the push training. I'm talking about that one. So yeah, there's not much else to say. I think I have to dress up with my still wet clothes and go outside, since rain is waiting me. Yeah. See you tomorrow with a better workout. By the way, I have to buy something for my hands because they're super dry and they're breaking all the time, and I'm bleeding. So it's not good. It's not allowing me to close my hand really strong. And another thing, yeah, you said goodbye already, but another thing is that my wrist didn't hurt a lot in this training, so most likely in 2 days that will be completely fine. And yeah, no, see you tomorrow actually with a pool training, hopefully already a good one without sickness, but yeah, since it's just a couple hours before that, I can't be sure about it. Okay, see you.